DU 2022 Advanced MME, question number 5, A, part 1. Consider the problem of maximizing Z equals to minus x4 plus y4. Find the strict maxima. What is the problem in applying the condition that the Hessian matrix is negative definite? See, whenever we have a two variable function, the maxima or a minima will exist when the partial derivative of x is 0 as well as the partial derivative of z with respect to y is 0. Okay, so zx and zy both should be equal to 0. So that means minus 4x cube should be equal to 0 and that should be equal to minus 4y cube. Okay, so that means x equals to 0 equals to y. So 0, 0 is the only point where we can have a maxima or a minima. Okay. Now, let us look at zx, which was minus 4x cube. So, zxx becomes minus 12x square. Zy was minus 4y cube. So, zyy becomes minus 12y square. And if you look at zxy, which is 0. Okay. So, now the Hessian matrix will look like this. ZXX, okay, ZXY, ZXY, ZYY. So this will become minus 12x square, 0, 0, minus 12y square. So if you look at the Hessian matrix at the point, at the critical point, this will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So when the determinant of the Hessian matrix is 0, the positive or the negative definiteness of the matrix cannot be talked about. Okay. So therefore, we cannot judge the maxima of this problem by looking at the Hessian matrix determinant. But we will have to observe that Z is equal to minus x4 plus y4. Okay. So we have even powers of x and y. So therefore, x4 plus y4 is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. And since Z is negative of x4 plus y4, it is going to be less than or equal to 0. Therefore, the maximum value of Z is 0. So this is by inspection. So the second derivative test, or we can say the test of maximum and minima in terms of Hessian matrix is inconclusive here. So we have to go by inspection.